Hi guys, how are you today? This is Ellen again. I hope you're fine. Uh, Today I'm just showing you how I'm cooking my tilapia. It's just a normal way. I'm not doing anything different. Yeah, just keep watching the video. You'll see how I'll cook it and until up to the end how I'll have cooked. I hope it will still look yummy. I'm just in the starting stages right here. Yeah, other than that, I'm good. Hope everything is good. I hope you're doing well. God is protecting you, and I hope that everything is going on as you have planned them to be. Yeah, guys, so I'm here. I'm trying to think. There's one thing I wanted to talk about in this video about how time is the best gift God has given us and how we should use it with our families. Sometimes we get so busy thinking that, oh, I have to go do this and this, but sometimes creating time with your family, the people you love, is very important. Yes, I know we have jobs and all that stuff. Like if I have a career, let me, I'm a nurse. I know nurse needs time to go to work, and the more you okay, let me say you have to work a certain hours per week, but if you overwork, you'll be so exhausted when you come back home, and believe me, you'll not even get that time to be with your family, because when you're home, you're very tired. There is no way you're going to say, oh, let me just do this activity with my kid. Sometimes you're very exhausted. Your body is exhausted. So I'm encouraging you, everyone, try to find other things besides your career. There are things out there, there are things online that have come up. I'm exploring a lot of them. If anything, if I get there, I'll tell you about it. But yeah, explore things online. That could be your only chance to be able to work less hours at your normal job, and since you have this passive income coming in from other online business or anything that doesn't need you to be there in person. So I'm encouraging you guys, try to search things, go to chat GBT. That's our friend, that should be your friend. Go ever and search for things that don't need your time to be there physically. Those things that will help you spend more time with your kids. Imagine you finding money on your account without having gone to do that thing in person. You're not there in person. So I'm hoping that all of us can explore something different from our normal work that expects us to be there in person, so that we can be able to get a chance to be with our kids, with our family. Now summer is coming up, so that we can be able to chat, to be happy. Life is too short. These workplaces really exhaust us, drain us. You go home and you're like, you don't even to look at anybody. You are so tired. So I'm encouraging everyone, including myself, to find something passive that can bring in money without being there in person. And that's the only chance we have for us to be with our families. A business or anything, research. Yeah, I wish you well, guys. Keep watching my video. Please subscribe. Look at subscribe. I'll be so grateful if you do. Yeah, I'll leave you and watch my video, how I'm cooking. I hope you like tilapia fish. I like it because we used to eat it back home. So once in a while I buy it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my video. Take care. God bless you. Bye.
is the biggest rock ever. It can go all around and around. This side and this side. Bye. Channel. I just finished training. The sun is shining. I'm going to show you how to do math. So, first thing first is 2 plus 2. Can you count my hands? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now, 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now almost done with math. We just have 2 more to go. So okay, so 6 plus 6 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And one more. 1 plus 1 equals 2. I don't even have to count it. Bye, everyone.